Hi guys, there's nothing like a fresh wash day. I just got through shampooing my hair and there's water everywhere. I used hydrating coconut, run into the walls. Hydrating coconut water. Yeah, shampoo from Herbal Essence. A lot of you guys know that I love Herbal Essence as my shampoo, as my go-to. I couldn't find my grapefruit Herbal Essence. So, or did I? Yes, I did. I did find it in the store. Did I buy some? I think I did. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I just want to show you my hair. It's still wet. It's been air drying for about maybe 20 minutes or maybe 30 minutes. I don't know. But here goes the back. Every time I shampoo my hair, it feels so much lighter, so much fresher, and so much happier. Okay, I gotta really, here we go, that's a better look. That's a better look. So I am going to add my rose water to my hair. Mix it just a little bit, not too much, because I don't want it to take all day to dry. Although I'm gonna go outside and let it air dry a little bit. And I'm going to use my Locs Sanity Passion Fruit Edge Control Liquid Gel. It's a soft hold. You won't really hold your hair too long, but at least it'll make your hair look nice. Okay. So, what you guys been doing? Me and that boy. You see Nico? There go that boy right there. He's blended in with the Nico. Lift your head up, boy. Nico. There he is. He lifted his head up. He's blending in with the blanket. Alright guys, so that is it. Just wanted to pop in. You might see a lot of little small little clippy videos. Just something just to say, hey, I'm still here. Okay? But this is what we're looking like here. You know what guys, also, are you all like me? When you get out the shower, you don't want no bra on, you don't want nothing on. You just want to be fresh and free. Can I get out of my own patio door? It is so hot out here, guys. My hair should dry quickly once I come out here. I just don't want no mildew hair. I don't want to let the camera down too far. But guys, yeah. It is so hot here. Let me tell you this. I was sick a few days ago with a sinus infection. I ate something I should not have eaten. But I feel a whole lot better. But do you know it's been 93 degrees here in St. Louis, and I have had my air off the whole 3 or 4 days, and it's still off. I'm not even hot. That's because I was sick. So, all right. I'm gonna see you again. I ain't talking about nothing in this video. See, we just chilling today on this. Hey, we chilling. There you go, boy. We chilling. Hi, boy. Happy tail. And I went exercising today. It felt good. You know what? I've been on a day-to-day. I've been exercising every day for the last, let me see. Let me show you. So 3 days straight here, which is today. Today's September 13th. I worked out today, yesterday. I skipped a day, skipped 2 days. So I worked out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Yeah, within a week. I gotta get this weight off. Complexion back in order. It's out of whack. I'm dark in a whole lot of spots. And what's weird about my darkness is it's fading. It's starting to fade. So, I don't know if you can see. You can see like light here, and then you can see where the dark was here. It's starting to it's starting to disappear going backwards. So, yeah, I had gotten really dark from eating all that sugar, and I had gotten sick. I wasn't healthy. Still not healthy. But, you know, I'm gonna get back healthy. I have ACANTHOSIS nigricans, just in case you guys don't know what it is. You're probably saying, what is that? A-N Yeah, that's when you have high sugar levels and your pancreas ain't doing right, you're insulin resistant, and all that other good stuff. So I'm back on track though. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video.